Welcome back in this English learning session. It belongs to class 5 English main course book, page number 37, lesson 5 named the cherry tree first. Topic is verb, subject, verb agreement. So, first need is to understand what is subject, then what verb, and thereafter the relationship existing between subject, verb, and object in given sentences. So, go through its definition. In English, a sentence usually follows this sequence, that is subject, then verb plus object. You can watch this structure even in the structure of simple present tense or simple indefinite tense. Definition of subject: the person or thing performing the action is called as subject. In short, you can call it the topic of the sentence. Subject means the person or thing performing the action or the topic of the sentence. In another word, you can say subject means doer. Then verb. Verb means the action word like go, run, walk, play, eat, write, read, listen, etc. Object: the person or thing receiving the action. To learn the usage of verb and to understand the form of verb as per their usage, the present is need. The present need is to understand transitive and intransitive verb. So first go through transitive verb. A transitive verb is one that requires a direct object to complete its meaning. The action of the verb is transferred to the object. Example: she wrote a letter. In Hindi it means वह एक पत्र लिखी. Here she is a subject, wrote is the past form of the verb, or that is the second form of the verb, and a letter is an object. In this way, the above sequence became proved. What was the sequence? The sequence was subject, verb, object. You can see this, the sequence is subject, verb, object, and it became proved in this example. Now a question arises: why the verb wrote is a transitive verb? Because we get the answer positively in the form of object. If anybody asks, what does she do? Or what did she do? The answer is a letter. So it is the presence of this object which makes the verb transitive. That means here the word wrote has been used transitively. So as per the presence of object in given sentence, you can detect the kind of verb used over there. Now clarify it more with the help of examples. Before clarifying it, you need to understand also about intransitive verb. Just go through it. Intransitive verb. An intransitive verb does not require a direct object to complete its meaning. An intransitive verb does not require a direct object to complete its meaning. That means the verb used in sentence doesn't require any object to give you complete meaning. The action is complete without affecting anything or anyone else. Example: the baby slept peacefully. Here, no need to um, use object to complete the sentence of this, to complete the meaning of the sentence. That's why here the used verb slept is in intransitive form. Second example, he sleeps. It doesn't require any object to give you complete meaning. In Hindi it means वह सोता है. It is complete in sense. That means its meaning is complete even without any object. So the verb sleeps has been used here intransitively. Another example, Ram goes. In Hindi it means Ram जाता है. It gives you complete meaning. So there is no need to use object. Its meaning is complete. So the verb goes has been used over here intransitively. Samriddhi dances. In Hindi it means Samriddhi नृत्य करती है. It gives you complete meaning. So there is no need to add object over here. Thus the verb dances has been used over here intransitively. Fifth example, Divyanshu laughs. This sentence is complete. That means here the word laughs gives you complete meaning without using any object. There is no need to use object. There is no requirement at all. That's why laugh has been used here intransitively. Now see, subject verb agreement means that the verb must agree with its subject in number, and number means singular or plural. See, it commands two rules. Rule first, singular subject takes a singular verb, plural subject takes a plural verb. Example, the boy runs fast. Here the boy is a subject and is in singular form, so it commands the verb, singular verb, runs. So the rule becomes fulfilled. Singular subject, singular verb. Second example, the boys run fast. Here the subject is in plural form, so verb is also in plural form. So the rule became fulfilled, plural subject and plural verb. Keeping this idea in mind, we are to learn more through questions and more. Let us participate in question number A. Identify and write whether the verb in each sentence is transitive, T for transitive, or intransitive. You can write I for intransitive. If the verb is transitive, then underline the direct object. First, the children laughed loudly. Obviously, it is intransitive because it is free from object. It doesn't require any object. So it is intransitive. What is intransitive? The verb laugh has been used here intransitively. So you need to write intransitive. And second sentence is she wrote a letter. Here direct object is a letter, so it is transitive form of verb. Here the verb wrote has been used transitively, so you need to write T or transitive. That is transitive. The old man walked slowly. It is intransitive because it doesn't require any object. So is the case with the rest of the sentences. They built a sand castle. Here object is sand castle, so it is transitive form of verb. Here the verb built has been used transitively. The flowers smell sweet. It is intransitive because the verb smell doesn't require any object. It doesn't require any direct object, so you need to write intransitive. The cat chased the mouse. Here obviously it is an object, so you need to write transitive. The baby cried for its mother. Intransitive. The verb cried has been used here intransitively. This sentence doesn't require direct object. So you need to write intransitive. The sun shines brightly. Intransitive. We ate pizza for dinner. Transitive. So you need to underline object. The bird sang happily. Intransitive. Because this sentence doesn't require direct object. And in this way you need to complete your questions and must get it checked. Thanks for watching and noting it down. See you in next class with new solution.